Welcome to our college. Art is beautiful way of doing things. Science is the effective way of doing things. Idea College of Arts and Science for Women, Pudupalayam. As completely prepared as it really gives us a more well-rounded education and awesome research opportunities. Our college motto is Born to Win. Our college vision is educating rural young women for their liberation and upholding the dignity of women, empowering the rural young women intellectually, spiritually, economically, and socially. So, most welcome to our college, all my friends. Welcome to Department of Mathematics. In our college, we offered variety of courses. From this, mathematics is very special course. Mathematics is the most beautiful and most powerful creation of the human spirit. This is only a systematic effort of solving puzzles posed by nature. Mathematics has been called the universal language. It is an essential discipline in today's world. Numbers and mathematics help us keep score, not just in sports, contest, measuring money, time, distance, cooking and banking, balancing checkbook, planning, etc. Mathematics is very useful for day-to-day life. Why we study mathematics? Mathematics has evolved over many centuries to help solve problems. Math teaches us to think logically to identity and state the problem clearly. Math teaches as a way of thinking. It provides us with a method of solving a whole best of life's problems away from the classroom. The Department of Mathematics at Idea College of Arts and Science for Women, Pudupalayam. The Department of Mathematics was established in the year 2007. We have a talented team of staffs and students. The Department of Mathematics frequently conducting seminars, add-on course, outreach programs, expo, webinar, quiz and tricky riddles. Seminars. Education is the sum of what students teach each other between lectures and seminars. In our college, every year we have conducted the seminar on various topics. Seminar is a method of teaching mostly used for higher education. It is an instructional technique which involves paper reading on a theme. It includes the group discussion to classify the complex aspect of theme. The students learn to develop the ability of keen observation of experience and feelings of tolerance to the opposite ideas of others. Quiz. A quiz is a form of game or mind sports in which players attempt to answer questions correctly about a certain or variety of subjects. Quizzes can be used as a brief assessment in education and similar fields to measure growth in knowledge, abilities or skills. So we have conducted a quiz competition and tricky riddles. Webinar. During this COVID-19 pandemic period, we have conducted a webinar. Expo. Mathematics is an integral part of our daily lives. Fairs and expositions are thought to make mathematics concrete and give an opportunity to the learner to create talents to the learning of mathematics. We have conducted the Maths Expo on various models, puzzles, games, etc. Outreach. We have conducted the outreach program for 7 to 14 aged children. The students have come from various villages. Participation means not only being this but also being an active learner in the same instructional routines as those experienced by typical students. I am very proud to say that our friend Sylvie Narmada won third prize cash award for Bharatidasan poem recitation competition conducted by Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam at Thiruvannamalai. She also selected for the television program of Leoni Pattimandram in Vellore. She has become a village administrative officer. She is working very bravely. Sylvie Divya has participated and won the prize and got the cash award for the elocution competition in many times. She has participated speech competition for Periyar birthday in Chennai. She won the third prize in state level competition. She has received the shield from Mrs. Kanimuri MP at Chennai. Sylvie Mahalashmi has participated various types of sports competition. She got the prize for long jump, 400-meter running relay, throw ball and volleyball in our college. Now she is working at Tiruvallur district as a PC grade 2. Our college student participated in district level consumer club competition held at Collectorate Tiruvannamalai. My friend Selvi Anbarasi got first prize from the collector Mr. Kandaswamy and Selvi Radhika selected for Tiruvallur University Coco team. University examinations on 2017. Our friend Selvi Sangeeta got the centum for 5 papers and remaining 2 papers she got 97 and 98 marks in 5th semester. Student Parliament. If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader. In our college, every year we have conducted the Students' Parliament election to involve students in democratic processes and decisions making within the college. In this election, students have selected for part of President, Vice President, and Secretary. President and Secretary selected from the third year student. Vice President are selected from the second year student. Every year in our department students have selected any post these 3. This election are conducted by well planned by the faculties and students. All my friends freely vote their favorite candidate. Our department faculty is very interested to participate various activities for us. Our staff, Mrs. Virgin Cordelia, who is the coordinator of Rotaract Club in our college. She has organized the Women's Safety Awareness Program, Corona Awareness Program, Dengue Awareness Program through rally. Also our staff, Mrs. Gayatri, the coordinator of Citizen Consumer Club. She has organized the Consumer Awareness Program and Consumer Awareness Program through rally in nearby the village. She has also conducted the competitions about the awareness of consumer. Fine Arts Day. The essence of all beautiful art, all great art is gratitude. Our department and our college Fine Arts Committee have taken the in charge of Fine Arts function. We have organized the program with the inaugural function and we have conducted all programs in the grand manner. My friends have participated in Fine Arts program competition. They have interested to participate all extracurricular activities. Also, they got cash awards, rewards, certificates and medals. Always expecting and welcome friends in the class with good wishes. Do make good friends in the classroom and also perform well in studies to earn good scores. Join to a college, especially in mathematics. Education is one thing no one can take away from you.